मेरे तो सारे फ्रेंड्स ही होंगे, ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं जिनको मैं नहीं जानता, तो मतलब सब फ्रेंड्स ही होंगे। और जिनको जिनको नहीं भी जानता वो बन जाएंगे दोस्त यार, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी एज इट इज, आई एम वेरी इजी गोइंग एनीवेज, आई डोंट हैव एनी क्वाल्म्स। It'll be, I think I would love to do Mile Jab Hum Tum part 2, just to feel that again. Yeah. If she ever plans to get me or Moni or anybody back on the in a season, in one of the seasons आगे, I think that would be something. That would be a great experience. I mean, कुछ अलग ही होगा वो.
Hello, people. This is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live, and today we have Arjun Bijlani with us. Arjun, welcome to the portal. How are you?
I'm good, Hitesh. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome, and it's good to have a chat with you.
I actually want to say, how was your shooting experience of shooting this song, जो अभी आपने recently किया है? Because it's so dreamy. What do you want to tell me about that?
Yeah, I mean, it was a lot of fun, obviously, because Ada was there. The whole team was very friendly, and we were just having fun. At the same time, short के पहले वो काफी emotional गाना है, so we had to
Yes.
like really perform. Usually music videos में थोड़ा बहुत moments ही होते हैं, but यहाँ पर काफी story driven music video था. So there was a lot
Right.
of emotions that were involved, where the girl is dying in the end. आप उससे बचपन से प्यार करते हो, so that whole feel had to come across in the video, and that was my brief, and I tried to do my best, and yes, it was a lot of fun shooting with Ada. मजा आया, मतलब बाइक पे भी घूम रहे थे, and it was fun, yeah.
Off shoot कितनी मस्ती की, मुझे वो जानना है.
ऑफ शूट बहुत मस्ती की, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली हमने साथ में नागिन भी किया हुआ था, और एक दो
Yes.
लोकेशन ऐसी थी कि वी हैड शॉट फॉर नागिन देयर, so we were
Okay.
kind of also nostalgic and reliving some moments of Nagin. जैसे जंगल में हम लोग रात में भाग भाग के शूट करते थे, कुछ सामने होता नहीं था, बिकॉज काफी कुछ जो
Green screen
नागिन के
पे.
टाइम में ना क्रोमा में शूट होता है,
हाँ,
तो देयर
green
इज
screen पे
नथिंग इन
करते हैं.
फ्रंट ऑफ यू, बट यू आर लाइक एक्टिंग एंड गोइंग ऑन एंड सेइंग थिंग्स। तो हम लोग वो सब बातें कर रहे थे कि कैसे जंगल में हम ये सब रात को 2 बजे 3 बजे रात को शूटिंग हो रही है और ये सब हरकतें करते थे, एंड इट इज टू बी सो फनी, बिकॉज वो ब्लोअर फैन चल रहा है बड़ा, और पत्ते उड़ रहे हैं, और एक एक्टर बस चिल्लाए जा रहा है और सामने कुछ है नहीं।
I know, right?
So yeah, it is a show that was a lot of fun, but we used to all like crack up after the shot, because I like, what the hell is happening?
Okay, after lockdown, it was your first shoot, if I'm not wrong, or you've done it before as well.
नहीं, I think I've done एक दो shoots मैंने लॉकडाउन के बाद किए हैं.
Okay, okay. And how was the experience after, getting back to shoot after a lull in the homes and stuff?
Shooting, see, I've always been somebody who's been shooting non-stop for so many years now. So for me, this was in a way a break.
Okay.
शुरुआत बहुत अच्छा लगा, because I had never got this kind of time to spend with Ayan, and the initial lockdown days were like very good for me. But after a point of time, 2 महीने हुए, 4 महीने हुए, 6 महीने हुए, and this COVID is still there and very much
I
there,
know.
and it's just not going. So it's scary when you have elderly people who you meet. Like, I have my mom who some lives with me, and so it's scary, yeah. But eventually, I think now the vaccines are here, and it's now is the time when you got to get vaccinated, start working again, and pray that everybody in your family is safe, and take your precautions. So that's what I have now. I want to go full throttle as far as work is concerned. I think I have. Taken quite some time off. Of course, I've been working in between a lot of music videos I did, and some other shoots also I've done. But like something like a nice web show or a show or a reality, it's time to get back.
That's great. And of course, we are so excited to see you in Khatro Ke Khiladi 11. Tell me more about it.
Uh, I mean, I have not yet done anything, so I really can't tell you more about it. It's just that I'm doing Khatro Ke Khiladi, and I'm really, really excited to do Khatro Ke Khiladi. they say one should always face their fears. So, and I think more than facing your fears, I think these kind of stunts that happen on Khatro Ke Khiladi, it's once in a lifetime opportunity. You don't get to
Right.
do these kind of stunts ever in your life. It's a show that is a platform that you can explore so much and know so much about yourself.
Right.
How because in those 2-3 minutes that's done, how you going to be. And so it's like it's like knowing yourself also, knowing your fears also. So I want to go face, go see how I perform during those stunts, and what is my mental state during those
Okay,
stunts. And I
what's your
think
biggest
whether I
fear
win the show or no, but I will definitely be very, very mentally and physically stronger
through that?
because of this experience.
Okay, what's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear I mean, I don't know. I kind of, I was very scared of heights earlier
Okay,
because the first flight that I took was very, very turbulent.
okay.
So मैं वो पहले फिर height से बहुत डरता था, but धीरे धीरे because of my shooting shoot life also, there are a lot of things where I was standing at the edge of a cliff, and then I started, traveling so much. So that kind of fear faded away. But still, but I would love to do some stunt like that. And
All those
that's really
animal things they do, snakes and
yeah,
everything.
that's the only thing, man. That's scary. Yeah, that is weird because you don't know how an animal is going to react, right?
Right. So have you followed the previous seasons and now do you have anything in your mind at how you're going to play and maybe if you learned something from previous seasons?
I think you got to be patient during the stunt. At the same time, I'm sure the people who instruct you while doing the stunt, you got to really keep your ears open, and you got to have all your senses working
Through
correctly
that.
during stunt. So I think I'm also going to try and do that during the stunt. And I don't know whether it will happen or no. That's the second thing.
Through that.
It's different sitting in front of a computer and saying "Arey, मैं तो कर लूँगा," and when you're actually doing it, it's different. So, but I hope, and that's exactly why I want to do it, is because you test yourself, every time.
Mhm.
And I think so many girls have, Karishma won the last season, and I mean, she did such amazing stunts. Karan, so many of my friends, Rajneesh has done. I mean, all these girls are they're going with so much passion, and they're having fun there at the same time. They're trying to win the show. Nia again won. So so if I think I should also definitely go and experience Khatro Ke Khiladi, and there'll be so much fun with Rohit sir as well.
Okay, in this season, do you know who else you will be competing with? Do you know the
I have
people?
no idea. I've just been reading news reports, but I have no idea who's signed and who's not signed. And honestly, it doesn't matter because uh, I mean, what difference will it make?
So
अगर
if
कोई
you
भी
have your
होगा वो
friends, definitely it'll be a more fun
अरे
ride.
यार आधे मतलब मेरे तो सारे ही फ्रेंड्स ही होंगे वहाँ.
True that.
मैं
Now
मैं
you have
सभी
been
को
in
तो
the
जानता
industry
हूँ.
since so long, so you might be knowing
या मेरे तो
everyone.
सारे
That's
फ्रेंड्स
the
ही होंगे,
great.
ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं जिनको मैं नहीं जानता. तो मतलब सब फ्रेंड्स ही होंगे, और
True that.
जिनको नहीं भी जानता वो बन जाएंगे दोस्त यार. बिकॉज आई एम
True that.
वेरी एज इट इज आई एम वेरी इजी गोइंग एनीवेज. आई डोंट हैव एनी क्वाल्म्स. मतलब ये बिग बॉस थोड़ी है, वहां जाके लड़ना थोड़ी है
बिग
हमको.
बॉस जाना चाहोगे वैसे अगर ऑप्शन मिले तो बिग बॉस का वुड यू से
अरे
यस?
यार, मैं अगर बिग बॉस कभी गया ना तो मैं फुल मस्ती करने वाला हूँ. और आई डोंट नो अगर मैंने कभी किया कि नहीं किया. बट I don't know how I'm going to be inside if I ever go, but I think I'll be quite entertaining if I ever
Of
do Big
course
Boss.
you will be.
Yeah,
So I
I'll have a
hope so
lot of
that
fun.
we see you in next Big Boss season as well. ऐसा हो कि खतरों के खिलाड़ी खत्म हो, you win the show and then you get into the Big Boss and you win that as well.
Wow,
Would be such a
that will,
ride, no?
yeah, that will be such a ride. Yeah,
Okay, so my next question is what is the best character you have played so far and which character is closest to you?
I think I love all my characters that I've played, but I really like Mayank from Mile Jab Hum Tum. I
Of
think
course.
he was so sweet and so nice, and
And
I think
with
there's
that,
something so.
please tell me उसका next season आ रहा है क्या? कुछ करवाओ यार,
यार
बात
मैं
बात
तो
कराओ. It
चाहता
was
हूँ
so
मैं यार,
popular.
ये स्टार प्लस वालों को बोलो, उन्हीं का शो है. और I think Disney Hotstar पे कुछ आना चाहिए, वेब शो
Exactly,
आना चाहिए.
exactly. Now that every show is getting remade, so this is one of the prominent shows that we would love to watch again.
I don't know why I don't know if maybe आ जाए आगे चल के, you never know. अभी तो सब लोग अपना अपना कुछ कर रहे हैं. I think Rati is doing some show and so सबके dates, I don't know, but I don't even know if they are planning something like that. But I think audience would love it.
Of
So
course,
जितने भी लोग, whenever they see this interview, please tell Star Plus, get that show. It will be. I think I would love to do Mile Jab Hum Tum Part 2. Just to feel that again.
of
Just that
course.
vibe.
It was crazy, yeah. Us time pe to people used to be like, "Oh my god, it was crazy for the show."
Yeah.
And
Then I
Nagin, would
also
you
loved.
like to get back to Nagin anytime in future?
I think Nagin I've already done. I mean, I've already done, but I don't know. अभी already 6 season तो आ गए. So I don't know
Mhm.
how I would fit in again. But you never know. It's Ekta, and she when she thinks something, na, she always thinks out of the box. So if she ever plans to get me or Moni or anybody back on the in a season, in one of the seasons आगे, I think that would be something. That would be a great experience. I mean,
Great.
कुछ अलग ही होगा वो. पता नहीं क्या होगा उसकी कहानी,
Of
लेकिन
course,
कुछ
it
अलग.
would be amazing to see you there. Now, I need one tip from you because your Instagram game is so up with your fashion style and everything. You have like 5.1 million subscribers, followers, if I'm right. So, just tell me, how do you up your game in fashion when it comes to posting on Instagram?
I don't know. I think fashion is a very personal, choice that people make in their lives in terms of what they wear and in terms of their accessories. For me, it's always been comfort. It's always at the same time being. I've been trying a lot of new stuff that I think I could carry. So with the help of my stylist and designers, and you kind of create looks, and you experiment with them. And I've been like experimenting with a lot of stuff, whether it's casual wear or suits or street fashion. And so I like to vary that according to even the climate. I mean, for example, beach mein abhi hoodies ka tha,
Hmm.
but even right now people wearing hoodies, which I think is weird, because unless until you go to a real cold place, it's fine. But
Right. It's
itni
very
garmi,
hot in here.
why would you wear a hoodie? You know what I mean? So it's a season of I think you wear nice colors, bright colors, and shorts or t-shirts and jeans, and accessorize with a nice watch or cap or whatever,
What's
depending on where
that?
you go. You got to
What's that
dress to
one look that's your favorite that you want
my
to carry
favorite
all
look:
the time?
white t-shirt, blue jeans.
Oh yeah,
White
that's
shoe.
classic. That looks amazing. Like
I think
white sneakers
whenever
too,
I want
just
to be very
pair it with
simple,
them.
whenever you're stuck and you think, "Arey, aaj kya pehnu?" Just wear a white shirt or a white t-shirt and blue denims. That's it.
True that. That always works.
Yeah, that always works.
Thank you so much. It was amazing
Thanks a lot.
talking to you. And all the
Thanks a
best,
lot, bro.
seriously. We want
Thank you
to
so much.
watch you more.
I'm working on that.
I'm sure that you will reach to new level day by day.
I hope so. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, for your good wishes.
Thank you.